All right, on a sweeter note, we're taking a look at some fun, sweet treats for the season. Exciting now, highlighting a Black-owned business in Prince George's County called the Honey Bun Cake Factory. So joining me now, owners Anthony and Tisha McFarland and the mascot Honey Bear. Wave. Yeah, so we have some beautiful cakes here. They look tasty, amazing. You have about 100 cakes selling in 100 different restaurants, right?
Yes,
so you have
yes,
over 90
absolutely.
cakes selling in over 100 restaurants. Tell me about how you got to this point.
Well, we all got started when about 9 years ago when Tish used to bake honey bun cakes at her job. And she would do it, it was like therapeutic. And no one around the DC metropolitan area heard of a honey bun cake, which is a North Carolina ingredient. So they just kept coming back, say, hey, you know, we want more, we want more. And I'm like, are you charging them? She said, no. I said, no, we need to charge them. So we decided to go forward and start baking honey buns and start going to stores and restaurants, and here we are.
Wow. Yeah. So tell us about some of these here. So I saw on your website a bacon cake, and I think I see it right here.
This is the honey bun bacon. Okay. And for clarification, the honey buns that you buy in the store, we're the only pastry company that makes it in the form of a cake in over 90 different flavors. So this is the honey bun bacon cake. It has hickory smoked bacon on top with maple cream, buttercream icing. And then we have the honey bun cheesecake, which is half honey bun cake layered on top of the honey bun cheesecake. And then we have a honey bun sweet potato cake. And then we have the honey bun caramel pecan rum cake. You have to be 21, you know, to have that.
For the rum. Got it.
This is our Christmas cake. We have a peppermint chocolate cake. And then we have a honey bun sweet potato. And these are the slices, how they look.
And right in time for the holidays.
Yes, absolutely.
Now, how could we get our hands on one of them?
You can you can call our storefront. We're actually in Charles County, Maryland. Okay. We're located at 6964 Indian Head Highway, Bryans Road, Maryland. You can call our store. You can go to our website and place an order. Locate us through social media. We'll get a cake to you.
Okay. All right. And is there anything we can replicate at home? I mean, we can try. I mean, these look great, and I know a lot of people are thinking about what they'll have for dessert.
Well, we don't give our recipes out, and actually all of our staff, they have to sign an NDA to whenever we teach them with the recipe. So we don't give our recipes out, but you can always come to us and we'll be more than happy to get you a cake. So,
all right, well, what's your most popular?
Probably what we're known for, the classic honey bun cake.
That's right, the classic honey bun, and then our honey bun cheesecake, and then our honey bun rum cake, and last but not least, a honey bun sweet potato cake. Tastes like Thanksgiving.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, I cannot wait. I really need to try this.
Yes, yes, absolutely, absolutely.
All right, well, there you have it. This is the Honey Bun Cake Factory. We have Mr. Honey Bun Bear over here. Wave again. Do a dance or something. You look great.
There you go. There we go.
And
oh,
so
yeah, we do. We have our special
all.
cake. We can't forget that. Thank you so much. Look at this. It says,
oh, it's a
DC News Now. You can kind of see it. Yeah, there we go. Oh my goodness. So which one is this one?
And this right here is the original honey bun cake, the classic honey bun. Yeah. That's our #1 seller right there. That's the mecca, the pinnacle of the honey bun cake.
Thank you so much. Well, that's all the time we have. Thank you so much for joining us here on DC News Now.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for having us. Thank you.